Students, today I'll teach you some geometry constructions, basic geometry constructions which you have already learned in previous standards. First one is perpendicular bisector to a given segment. See the question given. Draw segment xy is equal to 8 centimeter and then construct the perpendicular bisector of segment xy. This is the question, perpendicular bisector. I think everybody knows what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means a line or a segment divides the given segment into two equal halves, and at the same time it makes 90° with the given segment. So here segment xy is equal to 8 centimeter. So after drawing perpendicular bisector to it, segment xy will be equally divided into two sections of 4 centimeter each. Same time the line, that is the perpendicular bisector, will make 90° with segment xy. So let's start the construction. First we have to draw segment xy which is equal to 8 centimeter by using ruler and pencil. Segment xy is equal to 8 centimeter. Draw the segment and then name it. X, Y. So segment xy is drawn here, that is equivalent to 8 centimeter. Then take the compass from point x to y, more than half distance, adjust the compass. See the way it is adjusted, and then make an arc from x towards y. It should be more than half distance, from x to y. Adjust the compass. See the position of the compass, it is more than half the distance between the pointer and the pencil. Then make an arc at the top, and same way down also, top or up and then down, up, same way down also. Compass should be taken down also, down the line segment. Okay. Now without changing the position of the compass, keep it at y. Then the distance should be maintained the same. From point y, cut the first arc up and then down. See the way it is done. Distance should not be changed. More than half distance from x to y, as well as from y to x also. Now you got two arcs up and then down of segment xy. Take the ruler or take the scale and then join the arcs. the point of intersection of two arcs above the line segment and below the line segment are to be joined together by a straight line. That is the perpendicular bisector of line segment XY. Then you can give a name also. Here name given CD. Extend outward, and you can make an arrow also so that the line CD is completed. Yes. Now, where the line CD is cutting XY, there at that point, keep the protractor and verifier or check the construction. You will get exactly 90 degree. That means line CD is making 90 degree with segment XY, meaning line CD is perpendicular to segment XY. So perpendicular sign you can show there. That means it is making 90 degree with line CD is making 90 degree, or it is perpendicular to segment XY. Same time, measure the segment. See there. The total length of XY is 8 centimeter, and the perpendicular is exactly passing through 4 centimeter. That means the first section, that is X2 perpendicular, that is 4 centimeter, and remaining half also 4 centimeter. So it shows that line CD is perpendicular bisector of segment XY. Marking is done to show that both the line segments are congruent to each other, and they are or XE, name also given, XE congruent to EY is equal to 4 centimeter. Now finally, XC, segment XC congruent to EY. And what is the required figure? That also line CD. Line CD is the perpendicular bisector of line CD is the perpendicular bisector of seg XY, segment XY. So hope this construction is clear, and take your own measurements and with different names A, B, C, D, P, Q, different names for the segments with different measurements 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and construct yourself. Hope this construction is clear for you. Next we will meet with another construction. Thank you.